Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to play the song by Mtukudzi called Murimi Munhu. So the song is in the key of G. It's G, and then from G it goes to E minor. E minor, it goes to A minor, from A minor, and then it goes to D. That's the chord progression. So I'm going to play the whole song, and then after that, tell me guys if you want me to break down the song. I know there are some who are like complete beginners, so tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be dropping a new video every week, so make sure to subscribe and comment. Also put a notification bell so that when I post, if you're learning how to play guitar, you'll be notified of my post. Thank you so much.